girl, what's up?
Nothing much. Just wondering if you wanted to go to the club tonight.
Hells yeah. You know I'm gonna be there all night.
Okay, lit. I'll see you at 8 at the VIP entrance.
Later, bitch. Most weeknights you can catch the wildest SU students at the club.
After 8, it becomes the most exclusive spot on campus. Everyone's trying to get in.
Yes!
Let's get raging. There's even a Snapchat filter.
Look how lit. But eventually, the fun has to end.
Oh my god, the sun is rising!
Until next time, Club Bird.
Thanks for the memes. Oh my god.